scissors.
Yeah. Poor Cameron.
Wait till you guys get them lit at the same time. Light your lighters. Go ahead, Cameron. Wait, he can't get it lit. There you go, go.
Get back, Cameron.
Oh shoot, that one went towards the scissors. Are they both going still?
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
Oh, the other one's still got to go. That do that too. Here it goes.
Oh, almost in the grass. There it goes.
Crashed and burned.
Don't get by it. It's still gonna go.
Yeah, it's still got
a couple more stages. Who won that battle?
Morgan did.
And it fizzles out.